Bella? Oh, Bella's in kennel 49. Hi, Bella. How are you, honey? That's Pizza. Yeah. How you doing, baby girl? Does Bella know how to sit? Does Bella know how to sit? Sit, sit, Bella. It's so hot out here. I understand your pain. I'm sweating like a pig. Hi, Bella. Big smile. Doesn't say why she was surrendered. So I don't know the situation. Come here, baby. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Hi, Belle. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. There you go. Let me scratch your nose, honey. Oh, she's just overheating right now. Aren't you, girl? Come here. Good girl. Yes. Nice. Ew, your slime. Her whole paw is wet. And it's slimy, like she's been drooling on it. Were you licking it, Mom? Just the one is wet. This one's a little bit. Sweetheart. Okay, Belle. Bye-bye, Mama.